welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another Baby Alive unboxing, and this is the new Happy Hungry Baby, and she is so super duper cute. And so all of her accessories are, she has a bowl, a bib, doll food, a high chair, a spoon, a comb, 2 diapers, and a sippy cup. I'm going to be opening her up, so yeah. Baby out, and she is super cute. So, and by the way, in the background we have like her whole like little kitchen area. We have like her food and all that stuff right there for her. And if you're wondering where the diapers are, they're actually in this little slot right there, which I think is really cool. So yeah, and I can actually feed her right here. So do you want me to feed you? Okay.
Hungry.
Oh, I bet she's hungry. So let's get her in the high chair. Okay guys, so she is in her high chair, and let's put on this bib. There we go. And then we have her spoon. So let's make her fib. So, what do you want to have, sweetie? You can have peas or banana. Peas. You want peas? Yeah. Okay. I'll give you some peas. Let's put this right here. Alright guys, so this is filled up with water, and we have this, so let's get the bowl and let's fill it up. So let's put in the peas. Let's open this and pour it in. I'm gonna pour all of it. Okay. And then once you have this, I can just easily put it in that slot, which is really cool. So if you guys didn't notice, there is a line right up to here. So you're just gonna have to put in the water till it gets up to there. Gets up to that line. Almost there. Exactly there. Perfect. Now, let's mix it. Alright guys, since the high chair is a little bit too steep and we have carpet, I'm not really going to use the high chair, but I'm still going to feed her like this. So, ready? Yeah! Okay, let's turn you on.
Hungry. Thank you.
Yep. Alright guys, so this is the adorable Happy Hungry Baby. And so thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments let me know if you guys want me to do more videos with her, because I'll be glad to. And anyway guys, I'll see you later. And by the way, leave some video requests for her. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Bye. Oh, and by the way, her name's Emma. So yeah, bye.